Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change kill sign emblem and color in Modern Combat 5. Your kill sign is your identity in battle. It's what your enemies see when you eliminate them. Stand out for the rest by customizing your kill sign emblem and color in Modern Combat 5, and here is how you can do it. Launch the game open on your device with your preferred account, and once loaded, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Click on Kill Signs from the menu. Now, select your kill sign emblem from the menu that appears on the screen. You can also change the color by choosing the color palette. After you are done, you can get back to your home page, and your kill sign emblem will also change at the top left. You can now start a multiplayer match to show off your new kill sign. It is a quick and fun way to express your style on the battlefield. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.